Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page scrollable screenshot on HONOR Magic5 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, let's go for settings, and while we're at the settings, we can also open accessibility features and go for the shortcuts and gestures. Select take a screenshot, and here you can see the option for a knuckle scroll shot. Make sure that it's enabled. Now, traditional method for a scrollable screenshot is to press on the power key and volume down key at the same time, and here scroll down this pop-up and it will make a scroll full page screenshot. Here it is, and the more, convenient way to do it is to use your knuckle and then knock on your phone and draw S. This will also automatically make a scrollable full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.